Alright, so now what I think we should do is I'm going to give you the exact same fly I have, because I have like multiples, and then I'll give you the exact same setup I have, because that's what it seems to work. It seems like they're going mostly subsurface. So just do the release.
Keep going.
There we go. Oh my god. Oh, that is beautiful. Let's get him back. Oh my god, yes, you got it, you got it! Yes, keep it on, keep it on, keep it on, keep it on, keep it on. Holy shit, you got him, Aiden. Yes, now pull him up, just pull him up, to the grass, I got him, Hey!
There he is.
There we go. How happy do you feel right now?
Nice.
Oh my god, what a beauty. Yeah, let's get him in the water a little bit. Okay. Aiden's fish. Here we go. Not sure what's up. Just put your fly right back. Wet your hands first.